So here's an example of register running on a Castles Saturn 1000 all-in-one handheld device. So this is a payment device and runs our full EPOS system. You can scan product here, put your card in here, contactless payment here, and it really is the full EPOS system. It's actually the same, exactly the same functionality as runs on the desktop. So it's a very powerful mobile tool. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, obviously this could be used in a retail or hospitality environment. I'm going to go ahead and scan an item as if I'm in a retail store. So I'm going to press the scan button, pick a barcode, and you can see there I've ordered some Halbo product. You see how quick that is? It's because it's a native application running on the device. It's not going off to the internet, so it's very snappy to respond. So that's an example of how you might order products in a retail environment. Now let's imagine we're more sort of gastropub restaurant. I'm going to first of all order some food. So I'm going to, first of all I'm going to order a drink. So it's a draft beer, and I'm going to pick Amstel, and I'm going to go for half pint of Amstel. It's asking me about age verification, so it's checking that I'm of age to purchase. It's also checking that the customer's not intoxicated, that kind of thing, and it will report against that as well. So if you refuse a customer for being intoxicated, we can produce a report at the end of the day on how many you've refused. So I'm going to say that the other ID is okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and order some food. I'm going to order a burger. First of all, it's telling me about allergen information, so I'm going to confirm that I've read that and explain that to the customer. And that's providing me with modifiers on that product. So these are things that we can alter that change the price of the thing I'm about to buy. So they could be adding chips, they could be adding mushrooms to their burger, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and order some chips, and you can see it's a scrollable list, and I'm going to order a coleslaw pot. We also have modifiers that don't affect the price. Things like what sauce do you want, how do you want your steak cooked. So these are called list modifiers. So I'm going to say I want a sauce and I want mayo. Now I'm going to press save, and I'm done, and add the item to the basket. So now I've got my basket created. I'm now going to pay for the basket. So I want pay, I'm going to hit card. It's asking me to put my card in. So I've added a pin. Printing the card receipts. Now you can see we've got an integration here with our partner's payment loyalty, and this is basically putting a virtual stamp on every purchase over £5, and if I get 3, it's going to give me £5 back in the basket. It's a very neat, well integrated loyalty solution. So I'm going to say yes, the card's approved. And now I'm going to assign that to a table. So we ordered some food, the customer's gone to the table, and I want to say, yes, push that burger to table 2. And as soon as I've done that, it prints out the order receipt in the kitchen ready to be cooked, and I'm ready to move on to the next customer.